Hi viewers, today we will discuss the topic on memories. Memory is a storage device. It is a medium that stores binary information or data and some instructions. Memory is mainly used for to store any type of data. This is the very important component in the embedded systems. In embedded system, the processor and controllers are the heart of the designing of the embedded systems. Here, memory also the one of the important part of processor controller based on these embedded systems. Some of the processors controllers contain the memory is inbuilt. This memory is referred as an on-chip memory. Other processors controllers do not contain inside the memory. The chip requires the external memory to be connected with the controller processor to store the control algorithm. It is called as off-chip memory. Memories are internally connected to the processor and controller is called as on-chip memory. The memory is connected to the externally to the processor and controller is called as off-chip memory. Here memories are divided into two types, volatile memories and non-volatile memories. Volatile means random access memories. Non-volatile means read-only memory. Here random access memory. Random access memory is an temporary storage device. ROM means random read-only memory is used for to store permanent data must be stored in the permanent. Here RAM divided into three types: static RAM, dynamic RAM and non-volatile RAM. ROM again divided into four types: programmable read-only memory, erasable programmable read-only memory, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Here RAM is an power supply dependent, ROM is an power supply independent. RAM is used for read-write operations. ROM is used for only read operations. Here RAM is an temporary stack operations. ROM is an contains permanently stored instructions. Different types of memories used in the embedded system applications. First one, ROM. ROM contains permanently stored instructions. First one, PROM, programmable read-only memory. In program PROM, they cannot be erased or reprogrammed. Here, PROM is also known as OTP. Unlike MROM, one-time programmable memory or PROM is not reprogrammed by the manufacturer. The end user is responsible for the programming these devices. Several different applications including this PROM like cell phones, video game, consoles, medical devices and other electronics. The limitation of this PROM is OTP. Once OTP is came to our mobile phone, we cannot reprogram that only the manufacturer will be changed that OTP. Next one, EPROM. Electrical EPROM gives the flexibility to reprogram the same chip. EPROM stores the bit information by charging the floating gate of an FET. It contains a quartz crystals window for erasing the stored information. These crystal windows are used to erase the stored information. So, EPROM is used to reprogram the data on the same chip. The limitations of this EPROM is it is a 10 years time consuming process. EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. The information contained in this PROM memory can be alerted by using electrical signal at register byte level. They can be erased and reprogrammed in that circuit only. These chips include a chip erase mode. In this mode, they can erase in a few milliseconds of the given data. Here, the limitation is capacity is limited up to a few kilobytes when compared to the standard ROM. Next one, flash memory. It is an enhanced version of the EEPROM. It combines reprogrammability of the EEPROM and high capacity standard ROMs. Flash memory is organized as sectors or pages. Flash memory stores the information in an array of floating gate MOSFET transistors. Flash memory is enhanced version of the EEPROM. It combines reprogrammability and high capacity standards. Only EEPROM can reprogrammed only limited data or limited capacity of data up to few kilobytes. But coming to flash memory, this is used to reprogrammable the data and with high capacity standards. Coming to the RAM. RAM is used for read-write memory. Random access memory is the data memory or working memory of the controller processors. RAM is an volatile, meaning power is turned off, all the contents are destroyed. Generally, RAM divided into three types: static RAM, dynamic RAM, non-volatile RAM. Static RAM consists of 6 CMOS transistors. It does not require refreshing. Static RAM is an low capacity and more expensive. It performs fast operation. Typical axis time is 10 seconds. Next, DRAM. DRAM is made up of MOSFET and capacitors. It requires refreshing. High capacity. It has high dense. DRAM is an less expensive. Slow in operation due to refreshing requirements. Typical access time is 60 seconds. Compared to SRAM and DRAM, DRAM is having highest capacity and less expansive. It requires the refreshing. SRAM is an more expensive, low capacity and does not require refreshing, but it performs the fast operations up to 10 milliseconds. It performs the slow operations in 60 seconds. DRAM, static RAM stores the data in the form of voltage made up of flip-flops. DRAM, dynamic RAM stores the data in the form of charge. Static RAM stores the data in voltage. Dynamic RAM stores charge. Advantage of DRAM is high density, low cost compared to the SRAM. Coming to the non-volatile RAM is an random access memory. The battery backup. It contains static RAM, based memory, minute battery for providing the supply to the memory. In non-volatile RAM contains external